Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be making Robert Pattinson's Batman cowl from the new Batman movie. And we will be using the new Volkslab Proxima 8.9. This was a little bit more than a 15-hour overnight print. It was definitely a long time to wait, but I was really satisfied. I was really happy with how it looked coming off the print plate. A little bit later, I'm going to be talking about the massive problems that I ran into with this build, but I just want to say they start here. What have you learned segment? The first thing is, remember back a couple minutes ago in the video, I ran the print under hot water. And don't run it under hot water, soak it in hot water. If it just spends a little bit of time in hot water, the supports soften up so much that they won't fall off, but you can literally just pull them right off. The second thing, and this may even be bigger than number one, is patience. I have zero patience for a lot of things, and that really hurt me here. I started off really taking my time, but as I got deeper and deeper in taking off more supports, I got impatient and I wasn't necessarily ripping them off, but I was definitely using a little bit more force than I should have. And the third and final thing, I don't know if it's really a tip, but the filament printing that I normally do, when you're printing a helmet, you actually don't need middle supports. The way it prints, it supports itself enough, but I couldn't find anywhere online that actually said if you needed or didn't need supports in resin printing. So I went ahead and put them just to be safe. Now I'm curious, so if somebody happens to be watching this video and you know, go ahead and drop in the comments and let me know. So back to the rest of the video. I was really unsure that I would even be able to salvage it in any way, so that's why I didn't get video of me actually gluing it back together and then bondoing it. But I can't say I'm happy with the outcome, but it's serviceable, and I'll probably print another one of these later anyway. If you're wondering why I picked this particular file, it's because I really like the detail it had. You could kind of see it here. especially with the stitching. And then to get it really smooth with the primer that I used, just a quick 800 grit wet sand. I used a gloss black because I really wanted it to keep a little bit of a shine. But as you'll see here in a second, I do go back over that with a matte clear coat to just kind of dull it down a tiny bit. I probably overdid the gloss just a tiny bit, but still pretty satisfied with it.